Here we see a system that is right at the break point for shutoff in a continuously dimmed off daylighting system. The big problem is that the sensor is improperly located, and there's your sensor, and it's getting too good a view of the lights. This is a problem when you reach your set point where you want the thing to snap off. It's going to be a problem irregardless, because think about it. This is a closed loop sensor. I have just the right amount of daylight coming in here to tell this thing to shut off. As soon as it shuts off, it loses the contribution of its own lighting, and guess what? Its own lighting comes back on. There is damping in the sensor, but no programmable deadband. There is a 4-second fade delay in the ballasts, but no programmable deadband. So watch out if you're going to try and shut off dimmed systems by simply dimming them down, or even with a room controller that's coming off of a closed loop sensor. It's going to want to snap off, snap on, snap off, snap on. So you better have a serious time delay or a serious deadband setting for use in a system like this. Once again, these are 0 to 10 volt ballasts that dim down to off. And as soon as this guy winks out, this guy can't see its contribution anymore, the closed loop sensor, and it tends to turn it back on. So beware. Now it occurs to me, you might think I'm fooling you. So I'm going to try bringing in a little more light with my garage door and see if that doesn't extinguish both lamps, or in fact set the other one into oscillating. Okay, not quite enough. Let's turn on the fluorescent lighting in the garage. There you go, put them all out. Alright, you can see now that the second stage is oscillating due to me having opened the garage door a little more. Now I'm going to turn on the artificial lighting in the garage. That puts them out, keeps them out. Now I'm going to throw a cover over the sensor. That should bring them up fairly quickly. So you see, this is a perfectly good working daylighting system. Problem is, even with a sophisticated room controller, using a closed loop sensor, you're likely to run into problems due to lack of deadband or lack of massive time delay in your system.